Hey queens, feeling fabulous, 50 and fierce, but maybe noticing a little bit of downturn in your downstairs delight? No shame in the game. Honey, menopause throws a lot of curveballs, and a change in your sex life can be one of them. What to do, right? Fear not. Today we're here to chat about menopause and sexual health and how to keep the spark or reignite that flame. Remember? Do you remember the time when we first met? No. Do you remember how estrogen was the party planner for your mood, energy, and those fun, flirty feelings? During menopause, your estrogen dips like a disco ball losing power. So, this can lead to vaginal dryness, making sex uncomfortable or even painful. Think of it as the VIP room that suddenly closed for renovations. Not exactly the mood setter. Lower estrogen levels can also affect your desire for sex. Reduce libido. Join the club. But here's the thing. Desire isn't always a light switch you can just turn on, off. It's influenced by stress, relationships, and even medications. So, we need to do the communication tango when this time of our lives I had the time of my life. Yeah, and you can still have the time of your life, even in your menopausal years. So, communication. Menopause can be a confusing time for both partners. Open communication is key. Talk to your partner about the changes that you're experiencing and how they might be affecting you both. Remember, a little honesty goes a long way in keeping the spark alive. Lube is your new BFF. Vaginal dryness can make sex uncomfortable, but a good quality lubricant can help things run smoothly. Yeah, boy. And explore different ones because everyone's different, right? So find what works best for you. Foreplay is also essential for arousal, especially during this time of our lives. Oh my God! Wow! I've had the time of my life. Have you? You still can. So, even more during this time, explore each other's bodies and rediscover the pleasure that intimacy can bring. Staying hydrated can actually improve lubrication naturally. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to avoid dehydrating. And avoid dehydrating drinks like alcohol and excessive caffeine. Think of your body like a garden. It needs water to bloom. Are we ready to bloom? So next, embrace the change. You know, menopause doesn't have to be the end of your sex life. It can be a chance to explore new possibilities, experiment with different positions that might be more comfortable with less lubrication. Nice. Communication and creativity can lead to a whole new level of intimacy. So, talk to your doctor. There's no shame in that game. So we gotta talk to the doctor, right? Like we gotta talk to him and let him know what we're feeling, what's happening, because maybe they can help. You know, there's estrogen replacement therapies, and I'm gonna be talking about that in one of our upcoming videos because I think it's really important because I think we as women, we forego that therapy and we think like, oh, you don't need it, or you hear different things, but you know, it's not that the therapy is for everyone, but it could be for you. And if it's for you and if it could make a change in your life like it has for me, then why not? And there are different forms of estrogen, whether it's vaginally, orally, topical creams that you can put on. There are different options. And in the next video, I'll be talking about what I use, what I decided to use, right? Because my hot flashes were out of control. Nothing like being sweaty before you even get in the mood, right? Like that doesn't exactly put you in the mood. So, ladies, just Embrace this change, and don't forget, you're not alone. You are not alone. Remember, queens, menopause is a natural transition. And there are ways to keep the sex life sizzling with a little knowledge and communication and willingness to experiment, share, and explore. So, you can reignite the spark and keep the fire burning bright, very bright. You are strong. You are beautiful, and you got this. Until next time, stay sexy.